morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I've got me a pretty nice little. This thing is really heavy. This is the 863. 6230. And what I did is I put a. Let me just put this down right here. I put a Paclock core in it. And this is the bidding on the key. Really, it's a whole different pick. It's a lot harder. So you guys that have these master locks, whatever, the Paclock cylinder lock works. So let's get to some picking. Get this in the vise. That looks pretty good. Oh yes, I want to show you. I saw Tiny's little video on the tiny locks, whatever. Look at this, Tiny. I got small locks. I got 2 rings of these, all different types of small little padlocks of all different kinds. Unique, stock, whatever. They're just, doubles of whatever I have on here, which I do have a couple. I'm willing to give away if you're interested in it. So let's get to some picking here and stop talking. You get Mr. Easy out in the garage, man, taking care of business. So he's not going to be in the way. I got that. I hope that'll work. That's good tension wrench. That's a nice open keyway, so let me go. This looks alright. Let me see. Come on, sure, hope that'll work. Custom pick here. I don't know if this is a heavy tension bar or not. I just know it's probably the thickest one I got that'll come close to working. Yeah, it's not that bad. Alright. Let's get this in the center a little bit. And let's pick. I'm really close to the camera. I don't want it to go in and out. Okay. Oh, I forgot to count the key, the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yeah, I do need a heavy tension bar. Alright, one seems to be binding. Nice. Teeny little movement there. 2 is binding. Actually, 2 is okay. 3. Okay, soft little click, but a little bit of movement. 4 feels good. 5, nice. And last pin, 6. Cool. All right. Back to beginning. Nice one on 1. Nice 2, a little bit of movement. 3 feels good. 4 is binding. Nice. That's 5. There it goes. And 6 is good. Back to beginning. 1 is binding again. No, One is good. That's on 2 different pins. 2. Okay. 3. Feels good. 4. Binding. Nice. Nice, nice. 5. It is binding. There it is. And last pin, 6. It's way up there. There it is. Could use a taller hook, so hang on a second. There it is. Okay, we should be good. Oh yeah, way up there. That was 1. 2 is good. 3, good. A little bit of movement on there. 4 is good. 5 is good. Oh, that was a good one on 6. All right, don't know where I'm at now. 1, good. 2 is binding. Ooh. 2, 3, 4. Gotcha, baby! Whoa, yeah. Well, that never gets old. Sorry, guys. All right. There it is. Let me see what we can do about breaking it open. These Paclocks have some small pins in there, so I want to be careful what I need. No, that's Allen. No, it's going to be the yellow one. It is. There you go. No, yeah. Okay, put that there. Put this here. Bottom should just fall out. And we'll set that there. All right. I got a clipper dipper remover. This should be simple. This is going to be simple. No problems with this one. I said no problems with this one. Not a single problem with these ones. Oh, you lousy. Come on, you want to come off? I got the shakes. All right, hang on a minute. I'm just going to use some brute force here. There it goes. All right. And give me a small little shim. It's all bent up. This should work fine. Get in there. Okay, and here, this ought to work. No problems. No problems. No problems. Okay, let's set this down here. And we do got 6 occupied chambers. Get this a little bit lower and watch what I'm doing. Okay, that's 1. I'll line them up and show you in a minute. 2, 3. Should be all standard with this Paclock lock I put in there. Put it in a while ago though. Here we are. How about that? Nothing done to the core. Get these locks out of the way. My checker. Check, 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 and double check. All good. Get these right. Number 1 was just a short little standard. Yeah. 2 is a standard, 3 is a standard, 4 is a standard, 5 is a little standard, and 6 is a standard. Now let me pull that out and turn it that way. Okay. Number 1, just a standard. And I got a pin that just flew out, hit my foot. I think I know exactly where it landed. 1 second. Flashlight. I felt it. Never, ever. There it is. Actually, I look on the floor and I find another pin. I don't think it was this one. I just found that pin too. That's way too big. Okay. So all I minus thing is this spring here. That's never. Doesn't matter. They're both the same. Okay. I'll do it slower. Don't want to rush. Okay. 3. Standard. I'm not going to worry about the springs to the end. I believe they're all the same. That way I don't screw anything up. Here's another one. That's 4. I'm going to go from the other side. Okay, nice. 6 and 5. Now, all the springs. Slow down. You move too fast. Let the morning last. All right. Gotta be one stuck in here. There it is. It's stuck in number. You can see it in there. Maybe see it that way better. Oh, I guess I'll just pokey it out. Oh God, I got my short eyeballs on. There it is. And the 6th spring. I'm sure there's nothing done to there. Throw that down, get that done, get a zoom. Zoom. All right. This is what we got here. This is the, like I said, the Paclock core. Bottom pins, standard, 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 all standard all the way across the board. This is the key, of course. Top pins, all standards too. In fact, that looks like a key pin on the top, on the number 2. I don't know why that is. I don't know if I did it or not. All standard all the way across. Springs are all the same. Thank you for watching the episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. And I got a short video. Ain't that cool? I'll talk to you all later. Hope everybody had a great Memorial weekend. I forgot. We're out.